just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself.
Morning. Yo, my room is a mess, but it's okay. I'm gonna fix it now. I just wanted to come here and say hi. Hi. Vintage look out of these flowers. I'm hoping that they do maintain the color because yeah, they're cute. I love them. But then I did search on Google. They said you have to keep them away from the sun, so I've been storing them behind the fridge. So yeah, I'll keep updating you guys about the flowers. So far I love what I'm seeing. Yeah, so far I love what I'm seeing. So I'm hoping in the next few days I will achieve the look that I'm going for with these flowers.
I can't stand see you with someone else, so
And I was thinking about the love and all the things we had. We are up, we are down, but we're never giving up. A girl is on the way and you find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. Now you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. I'm still, and I was thinking about the love and all the things we had. We're up, we're down, but we're never giving up. A girl is on the way and you find me. I will do the same for you, trust me. That you love me is a power. Stay here 24 hours, baby. Think about me. And I give you everything you wanted. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love with all your perfect body, and I can still love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still.
So yeah.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause
my guy pretty like a girl, and he got five stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel, see on both sides like Chanel. To my left, so cool water, hit it like I'm underworld. Hide my tattoos in Shibuya, police in your mother underworld.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess that seasons change.
Nothing but the blood. Nothing but the blood. Jesus. Nothing but the blood. Nothing but the blood of Jesus. Nothing but it's alright, yeah.
And I was going through it, and I realized that I am living in my prayers. You know, most of the things that I prayed for like 5 years ago, they are now happening. And then what makes me so sure about that, like I wrote down that I want to have like a content on YouTube. At the time, I was not ready for YouTube, but I knew that it's something that I love to do in future. And I was also praying for the right equipment, you know, to better my content and all that. So I was reading that, I was like, you know what, this is something that I always wanted. The fact that, yeah, now you guys would think, oh, now she's like into this thing. And like, this is something that I prayed for like 5 years ago. You know, to see it happening now, it's like, it's so mind-blowing that the Bible does say you must write down your vision. You know, keep praying for it, keep praying. I want this to be a reminder to everyone who's believing God for something, that just write it down and pray over it, and then when you go back to that very same thing that you written down, you'll be reminded that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly. Also to better myself and grow as a content creator. You would think that this is new, but then to me, this is not new. This is something that I prayed for like 5 years ago. I mean, for the channel to grow, inspire people through my content. I pray for all of those things. God is faithful. You know, sometimes you think that it's taking long, but then every time you go back to that prayer request list, then you'll be reminded that, yeah, it may take time, but then when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. So I love that verse very much. So I wanted this to be a motivation. If you trust in God with something, write down your vision, write it down, your vision, and pray over it many times. Just keep praying over it. So when you go back to the very same thing that you written down, you'll be reminded, so that when hard situation comes again, you'll be reminded that God is faithful. You know, like those are little things that will actually remind you that He is faithful. He's gonna come through for you. It may seem like He is distant or He's not coming through for you, but then when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. So I really hope this inspires you to keep trusting God, and to whatever that you want to do in future, that you will keep trusting God with it, and then submit. The Bible says submit all your plan and your vision to God, and He will make it happen for you. So bye.